In high wind zones, your roof isn't just part of your home. It's your primary defense line. Asphalt shingle roofs can peel, tear, or completely detach under extreme wind conditions, leaving your home highly vulnerable. In contrast, metal roofing is designed to withstand high winds. With interlocking panels and secure fastenings, metal roofs are engineered to withstand wind speeds of up to 140 miles per hour or more with proper design and installation. Metal roofing panels meet some of the country's strictest building codes, offering peace of mind for those living in coastal or hurricane-prone regions. It all comes down to prudent design and engineering. A metal roof can reduce virtually any uplift force and stay firmly in place through even the harshest storms. That's why it's the preferred roof type in high wind geographies. Behind every well-performing metal roof is a foundation of rigorous codes and engineering standards. To explain what that looks like in practice, we spoke with Vincent Sagan of the Metal Building Manufacturers Association.
When it comes to metal roofing systems, one of the advantages is that, especially with the standing seam roof, where it's composed of strips, it's made continuous with that roll form that make it continuous. So a continuous member, continuity, is more redundant. With all those connections, makes it less susceptible to damage. Where things fail under wind and even under, like, for example, under precipitation, where does it leak? At the corners, at the edges, anywhere there's a penetration. So the advantage with the standing seam roof is that you basically have a continuous sheet with less openings, so it just works better. And if you look at other roofing systems, and let's just take the extreme, go to residential, asphalt shingles, which is not used in commercial buildings, right? But you think of all those edges and all those little pieces and all those individual connections to keep it together. You lose one shingle, it can be like a domino effect. It basically unzips, and you can lose the entire roof when you lose one shingle. And that's a major advantage for metal roofing systems with the standing seam roof where it's continuous.
When the winds pick up, you want a roof that won't let go. Metal roofing can be relied upon to withstand the storm. Thank you for watching. Join us in our next video in the series where we'll explore why having snow retention on a metal roof is essential.